Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. PM chairs NCC meeting after COVID-19 recovery and says can't afford lockdown. Prime Minister Imran Khan chaired a meeting of the National Coordination Committee on COVID-19 after his recovery from the infection, encouraging results as Prime Minister Imran Khan briefed on working of electronic voter machine. Prime Minister Imran Khan was briefed over the working of electronic voter machine besides being presented a practical show of how it would perform. Government likely to appoint Shaukat Tareen as SAPM on finance. The Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf led federal government has decided to appoint Shaukat Tareen as Special Assistant to Prime Minister. IMF sees global economy improving despite uncertainties. Economic growth led by United States and China is accelerating and amplifying the risk of an uneven global recovery. Gold prices see big drop in the domestic market. The per tola gold price witnessed a decrease of 3,050 rupees to 1,02,700 in the domestic market. Finance Minister announces cut in prices of petroleum products. Finance Minister Hamad Azhar announced a 1.50 rupees per litre cut in the price of petrol, while a 3 rupees per litre decrease in that of diesel. OGRA notifies reduction in LPG prices for April 2021. Oil and Gas Regulatory Authority has notified a reduction in the prices of liquefied petroleum gas in the country for the month of April 2021. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe it, like it, share it and comment on it. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.